Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the CrystalDiskInfo for Shizuku edition and anime waifu skin setup. So let's begin. First go to their official website, alright? You can look up for CrystalDiskInfo, click on their official websites. Do not go to the third-party websites. So here, click on download and then scroll down, alright? We need to scroll down because we need the uh, disk info. This is what we need. Uh, this. Click on Shizuku Edition, or if it's not clickable, click on Install Resta. Now, it might take a few seconds to download, but once you've downloaded the file, you will get a zip code. I mean, a zip file. Make sure to extract that, and then let me show you. The download is taking a while, so let me see. Okay, should be done. Oh, here we go. So yeah, it actually looks very good. And it actually has some few lines over here. Oh, it's actually for now just a soundtrack or some sound effects. But you can actually change in here. What's very interesting is the theme. There's actually a lot to choose from for this. Oh, I like this. Okay, so pretty much that's it. That's how you can customize your crystal disk info. I hope you found this video very helpful.